Hello everyone, welcome to the channel and welcome to another video from the video set for this week. I am still in Copart Des Moines, the sublot, and I'll be looking at two more cars. So yeah, without further ado, let's check the first one, shall we? Here's the first one for you. It's a 2011 Mercedes-Benz E350 4MATIC. It has a 3.5 V6 engine, the very reliable V6 3.5 engine. Since it's 4MATIC, it's all-wheel drive, of course. It has only 114,000 miles. It has salvage title, this car. According to Copart listing, it runs on drives. The main damage is listed as front-end damage. We'll look at this damage in a minute. According to Epic Event, it was involved in 2 accidents, and it's currently sitting on $0 with minimum bid. All right. First of all, I like this color on this E350. I really like it. And it has a black interior. That's perfect for me. So yeah, let's take a look at the damage first. As you can see, guys, we are missing a lot of things in here, but probably they are just like the headlights, the fender liners, and that's all. Actually, do you know what, guys? You can fix this car at your home garage. Believe me, because all you need to do is just unscrew stuff and then buy parts and then just connect them again. That's all you need to do. Of course, if this car runs and drives perfectly, then yeah, it's gonna be a very good car to get, especially it has 114,000 miles only, and it looks like the body is in pretty good shape. Hopefully the interior is in pretty good shape as well. Okay, so all you need actually is headlight. Probably the headlight is somewhere inside the car. We'll check that in a minute. And more likely you will need a bumper, front bumper. Is the bumper support broken or something? No, I don't see any damage to the bumper support, guys, so it's all good in here. So that's the connector for the headlight. All right. You need a lot of plastic parts. They should be in here, which are it's where the headlight is sitting at in here. There are a lot of plastic parts in here you should get. The fender probably can be salvaged. I'm not sure about this, but the hood, unfortunately, probably you have to get a new hood. Although the hood is pretty good shape. All right, so this side here looks perfect, guys. This car is in pretty good shape. I really like it. This is just dirt, probably. Yeah, it's just dirt from animals. And this side in here, yeah, it's pretty good shape actually. Let's see inside. Okay, so yeah, because of this damage, guys, the this door actually rubs against the front fender. Wow for 2 things, guys. The interior is brand new interior. I'm not kidding. It smells perfect, and it looks like brand new, guys. The filming will not do justice to this interior. It's really in very good, no, it's in excellent shape actually. But the other bad thing is, yeah, it looks like we don't have a key again. So that Jaguar and then this Mercedes, that's really bad. Problems in here? No, if it's like this, then more likely someone stole it. Probably they checked the car and they saw this car is in very good shape, so they want it for themselves, so they just stole the key as usual. Because I checked, guys, the key fob is worth almost nothing. Let's see, probably it's in here. Nah, I don't think I'll find it anywhere. I don't think so. No, nothing. Yeah, probably they stole it. More likely. Oh, that's really bad. That's really bad. Oh, anyways, guys, let's take a look inside in here. I'll show it to you. I'll show you the engine bay, and that's it, guys. I cannot show you further than that. Okay, problems in here? No, I cannot find it, guys, unfortunately. Okay, let me just pop the hood. Where is that? What? How do you pop the hood? It's stuck, guys. So yeah, let me just get it out and I'll come back to you. Guys, I can't even show you the engine bay because this one here is missing. I'm not sure where it go. I tried to put my head inside, but I couldn't find it. Alright, guys, so unfortunately no keys, couldn't even open the hood. But yeah, like cosmetically it's pretty good shape. I really want to see like how it runs, but unfortunately won't be able to. So that's it for you guys, the 2011 E350. Alright guys, so here's the next one for you. It's a 2017 Ford Escape. It is the titanium trim level. It has the 1.5 turbo 4-cylinder engine. It's front wheel drive, it's not all-wheel drive unfortunately, but it's the titanium trim level, so yeah, it has like all the gadgets you need. It has 87,000 miles. It has a clean title, so I'm not sure what this car is doing in here. So clean title, but they are saying that it runs and drives, but the main damage is listed as mechanical damage. This car was donated to Copart, as it has a clean title as well. According to AutoCheck, this car had only one owner, and according to Epic VIN, it was not involved in any accident, so that's actually good. But we'll check like the mechanical damage. So as you can see guys, it's currently sitting on $0, so no one bid on this car, and it is on approval actually. So yeah, let's take a look at it here. Yeah, there's no damage to the body whatsoever. The body is like in excellent shape actually. So yeah, it's just like some dirt in here. It's not like damage, so just a little bit of washing and it'll go away. Okay, so let's take a look inside. What? Titanium trim level, and we don't have full leather seats. I mean, we do have leather on the edge, but here's cloth. That's interesting. That's interesting. All right, okay. It needs some cleaning from inside. We do have power. That's good. And as you can see, guys, we have like the full screen in here. That's good. In the back in here, tiny seats. Okay, all right. Let's take a look at the roof, shall we? Oh wow, very nice panoramic sunroof. That's good. That's good. All right, let's take a look in here. How do you open that? Yes, like that. Okay. Electrically powered tailgate. That's good. Okay, what do we have in here? Nothing much. Some modules and spare tire. That's all. All right, so far so good actually. So far so good. I'm wondering guys what kind of like mechanical damage this SUV has. I think we do have power and it will be enough to start the engine, but actually let's take a look at the engine bay. So all right, where is that thing? Okay, here it is. All right, prop it open like that. Okay, so here's it for you guys. The tiny 1.5 4-cylinder EcoBoost turbo engine. Rah! Okay, I see guys. Okay, probably you guess what the damage is, right guys? Yeah, it's mixing coolant with oil. Alright, that is why. Okay, and as you can see here, we don't have coolant. Alright. I'm not sure, should I start it to show you how it runs? Yeah, let's give it a shot. At least like we have some kind of lubrication. We won't do like further damage to it because it's already damaged. So all right, let's see. We'll start. Okay, start right away. All right, do we have AC? Yes, we do have AC. As you can see, this touch screen is working, no issues. Ice cold AC. And as you can see here guys, yeah, when the engine mixing coolant with oil, it will not tell you. It will not tell you, of course, definitely. Okay, yeah, ice cold AC as you can see. So just turn that off. Okay, let's put it into gear. I mean, it will definitely like drive, no issues, as you can see here, guys. Yeah, it goes into gear, goes forwards, goes backwards, no issues. We do have a backup camera, so yeah, that's nice. That's very nice. Yeah, steering feels great, brakes feels perfect. It's, yeah, it's just this. Let's see how the engine actually runs. You know what? It doesn't sound horrible. It's just, you know, it's just like it's mixing coolant with oil. That's all. Other than that, it doesn't even sound horrible. I can hear it like ticking. I'm not sure if you can hear it. Yeah, but other than that, yeah, runs and drives, no issues. So I'll just turn that off. But yeah, again, guys, actually I ran it for a minute to show you guys now how this will look like. You see, it's gummy, and this is not the color of oil, obviously. Yeah, all right. Yeah, unfortunately, guys, I mean, you know, to fix that, it will be like a nice daily driver. This one should be here, like that. Yeah, guys, so that's it for you guys, the 2017 Ford Escape Titanium. Alright, guys, so that was it for this week. I hope you enjoyed this set of video. Please guys, subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell, guys, if you'd like to see more videos, and hit the like button if you like what you see, guys. I'll see you next week, guys, in a new set of videos, and thanks for watching. See ya, bye.